Back here on John's 57, I just opened the hood. And look at that. Anyway, moving along, we're going to make our fourth attempt at converting this to electronic ignition because nobody sells you the right things. Right, so we've got the Accel points eliminator kit. That's supposed to be for 57 to 74. We shall see. Anyway, fun. Because we've had 3 different electronics kits and none of them fit, regardless of what they say. So, without further ado, let's dig in. Alright, so we got the points just pulled out for now. And this goes on the lower. Well, dag nammit. Why does none of this shit ever fit any of these motherfuckers? Good Lord. $57 my ass. None of this shit ever fit a fucking Y block. This is why people drink. This has to be the root of alcoholism. It's gotta be. Because none of this shit fits. I mean, I could always flippy do it. It might do its job. Oh look, 2 holes actually line up. Shocking. We might be able to make this work after all. Hold up. You gotta make it sound like a Dre song. I'm rambling. I ramble when I'm irritated. I wonder if we can just raw dog this bitch, so to speak. Let's try that. Alright, so our holes line up, but the problem is it sits right on the rod for our vacuum advance. Fun. So John and I have modified mounting plates. Teamwork. Modified. Alright, so we got her wired in. I don't like how that's loose though, so I wanna maybe flip-flop these. But we're wired in and wired up, so we should be pretty good. Moment of truth. Why are you not firing up? Well, we just gonna probably have to time it, but go ahead, fire it up. I'll run the throttle. Sounds like timing's off. Alright, she's running alright, minus the little exhaust leak in the crossover, but it is what it is.